Hey there, Carlos here. Today I am going to do another Stitch Fix video. You may remember another video I did about when your zipper teeth has come loose and I just simply stitched them back down. I'm sure that's helped a lot of you keep your jackets, purses, shoes, and yeah, ladies with your knee-high boots. Yum yum. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to answer one question from a YouTuber who posted a question about what to do in case if got a hood jacket here. Like the little piece here on the bottom, one of these, the little thing that slides down is gone. So what to do if it's gone? So I'm going to show you in a moment on what to do. Okay, so let's say it's this piece right here. You know, this piece, not sure what it's called, but you know what it is. Sometimes it might get caught in the dryer, and when you just pull on it, yank on it, it gets ripped off. So I'm going to show you, and I'm going to do this purposefully, okay? I'm going to cut this piece off on the bottom. I know you're wondering, like, what are you doing? Well, I'm doing this to show you that you can still use this despite that it's gone. Okay, so here it is, it's gone. There's nothing there. I mean, you got this one here on the other side. So what you're going to have to do is you can jimmy this little piece inside still, okay? You'll just have to work it in there whichever way you can. Okay, I might have to kind of pause for a moment for this one. And you'll just have to work it where it will still zip up. Okay, I just took a little bit of time, but it only took me about maybe just 20 seconds, but as you can see, I managed to get that back in there. You just have to stick this in there and just hold it together and just pull your way, and it's going to zip up and up and up and up and up, okay? So now we got this already in there. So this what you're going to do. Do not play with it. Do not pull it apart or nothing. What I'm going to do is, okay, great. Now, where did I put it? Just a second. Okay. Okay, and again, this is going to be the same type of needle and thread that I have here that I used last time. Okay, it's just a standard sewing thread and double on the thread. Okay, and of course, oh, I didn't do this part. You'll want to knot it. Just grab both threads, knot it once, twice, maybe one more time. That's fine. You do that so when you pull on it, it won't just slide out, okay? So this is what you're going to do. You're going to start from, you can start from either way, but probably from the bottom is fine. You'll start from the bottom, right about there. Okay, you'll pull it. Okay, it's not going anywhere. And you're going to stick it across the zippers. Just like that. See how it looks? Okay. Now you're going to repeat this method a couple of times. You could do it 5 loops, 6 loops if you want. Okay, so I'm going to just keep going here. You just go ahead and watch. See how I do it. It goes in there like that. And out to the other side. Pull it through. Go across. Ooh, careful, I got my other hand on the other side. You don't want to know what would happen if you poked yourself. Okay. So you can see it's starting to look a little thicker there, okay? You're going to go like that, and you're just going to keep going. I could just do this a couple of times for you, maybe just trying to help save some time. Okay, I think this is probably just the last one here. So what I would do is I would just stick it back through the same spot where I just did. Oop, I got caught there. Let's see. Stick it back through the same area, and then because you want to, it's kind of like you want to tie the end right here, so it just won't come out. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. And what you could do is you could stick it through here. You want to try to loop a knot. Okay, that's knot number 1. This is knot number 2. Oh, come on, get over there. Okay. And you could just make up your own knot whichever way you want. Guaranteed that it will not come out. Okay, so once we're done, we're just going to snip it. And what you can do is you could knot it so it's going to be like a permanent knot, okay? So just knot it one time, twice, three times. Okay, I think that's good enough right there. Okay, so here's the solution. Your zip-up hoodie will now be a pullover hoodie. They make hoodies where there is no zipper. You just pretty much put it over yourself and you put it on. Okay, I'm going to just show you how this will work. See, it zips down, but it's not going to come off. It's not coming off because it's already stitched across the bottom. It's sealed. Okay, it won't come off. This is the way it is now. You're going to have to wear it like a pullover. You can keep it zipped up if you want, but when you take it off, you'll have to go like this. Or whichever way you can do it. I'll braid my hair. But this is the way it is now. This is the solution. I mean, you paid a lot. If you have a hoodie that you love so much, it's got names on it, a design on it, you spent a good amount of money on it, you don't want to throw it away. This is the best it's going to get. I mean, if you want to replace the whole thing, you could do that. Tailor shops, I don't know how they're going to charge for it. I don't know how much that's going to be, but it's going to be labor. It's kind of labor intensive work, so it's going to be. And now that I've helped solve your little dilemma, here's another one I can give you. Now, this is the end result of the repair, okay? I mean, the solution. So this is going to stick out, okay? You might wonder, people are going to see this and think that's, whoa, what a tacky job, or, oh, you probably got it at some homeless shelter. So this is what you can do. I got my same sewing needle here, and this time I'm using a red colored thread, okay? I have a red thread. And what you're going to do is you're going to close this off by going like this. You're going to stick it underneath in that little corner spot. Okay, it's right there, just like that. And you're going to go across. So you're going to pull and it's going to close just like that. And you're going to keep it together. You're going to repeat the steps a couple times like this. And I'm going to stick it down through here again like that. I'm just only going to do it a couple times. I'm not going to spend too much time on it, but you'll get the idea of it. And you could do it as many times as you want. And I think that's probably about just good enough, just to quickly emphasize and show you. Okay, so here I go. I'm going to snip the threading. And you're going to do the same thing. You're just going to tie the knot a couple of times. Okay, so we grab it. You're going to tie it one time, twice, one more time. Okay. It's on there nice and tight. Snip off the excess. And there you go. So when you're walking, it looks kind of closed off, so no one can tell, like, oh man, nice hoodie. But I mean, this hoodie, I would not wear this hoodie around in town where I live in Stockton. With the gangs going around the town, it's quite dangerous to wear this kind of color. I mean, I actually picked this up off of I found it in a box of those clothing donation bins, where people just throw all their trash. Okay, and one more thing if you have leather jackets, I think the solution is the same thing. Just same method, same thing, but you just can't really stick the needle through leather. It's just too tough to do. Just do the same thing right through the underlying material of where the zipper track is. Let's try it on again. One more time. Okay. That actually fits me pretty well, but I can't wear this color hoodie, not red, around in Stockton. No, it's too dangerous. All right, so that's how it is. All right, so if you want to do it, to make this exactly like a pullover, you can actually do the stitching across the top of here too. Just take the thread and just loop it around, and lock it in place. This will not go down. The slider will not move down. But if you have pockets in here, or you want to put your cards, wallets, your phone, if you have pockets on the inside, don't do it because you'll need those pockets. But you can always lock it or keep it zipped free, okay? So if you like this video, smash like and share it. Share this video. You can leave some comments if you like, but keep comments positive and clean. I do read them and check them, all right? So take care of yourselves. Thanks for watching. All right.